Hi guys, so today I am going to be showing you guys how to sterilize your growing medium, your potting mix, your peat moss, whatever you're going to be using to grow your start your season, whatever you're going to be using to start your season. There's a difference in what you need to start seeds and then what you need to grow vegetables. Seed starting mixes that don't usually have nutrients. They're not necessary for germinating a seed and starting a plant. They can't really utilize the nutrients until they get their leaves all set anyway. So this is $1, and this one was from Family Dollar, and it's Garden Space brand, and it's potting soil. And inside you will see that it has organic compost, peat humus, sand, and it's compounded and aged, and it has perlite. And you can use anything to start your seeds in, guys. You don't have to have these kind of pots. You can just have a paper cup, not a paper cup. I wouldn't do a paper cup, but a I don't know how much this going to fit up. I might not be able to do the whole tray. Okay, I see something happening now that I need to point out. All right, this stuff is real. It's got big chunks in it. All right. Okay, we're gonna have to do something different about this. Okay, hold on one sec. We are going to have to what do you call it, sift through this to get these big thick pieces out, because that can really that's aggravating. You don't really need that real thick stuff in your starting mix. Now that is good material, you know, for growing, but you know, I don't want a whole bunch of big thick chunks in my stuff. Okay guys, I did not sift all of it. I only sifted one bag of it, and I filled up the half of the pots with the thicker pieces, and just wanted to put the finer bits on top. So just to show y'all what the fuss is, this is what it looks like. Oops, sorry guys. This is what it looks like before I sifted anything. See all those big pieces? This is what it looked like after, and it's the after that I want on the top, because you don't want anything keeping your seeds from coming through in these urban gardening streets. Okay, so once you fill up all your cells, you want to tap down to get the dirt down in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to press air out. I like to do that when I sterilize, when I start with unsterilized seed stuff. Okay, so now I have my hot water, and I'm going to pour hot water in every cell. Can y'all see this thing? So this will kill gnats, insect larvae, diseases like from your past season. Like if you grew something and your plant had a disease and you use this dirt again, this is new dirt, but you can reuse dirt as long as you amend it. But I'll do take some aluminum foil and you cover it up to trap the steam in a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to set this under my growing shelf on the floor so it can cool off, and I'm just going to leave it there until I need it. So thanks again for watching this with me, and share with anyone who you think who is possibly in an urban circumstance. And what I mean by urban circumstance is that they either live in an apartment, or they live in the city, or they live in a house but they have a small little piece of land and they want to learn how to grow food and preserve food while in an urban setting. Grow with you later. Bye.